Okay, in this lecture, we're going to learn how to link two given oblique lines with the arc of a given radius. So we have our given radius r, and we have two given oblique lines. Oblique lines means the lines are neither horizontal or vertical. Okay, if it's an angle that is every other angle which is not 90 degrees. So we have the lines T and S. So first, we shall first get our point. X on line T, and our point Y on our line S. So what we shall first do, we'll first construct a perpendicular line to the point X. Okay. Let's use our set square. Now you draw a line through the point X, perpendicular line, and it has to be longer than the distance R. Okay? You do the same for point Y. You draw a perpendicular line through a point Y. You realize I'm using my squares to build a perpendicular line, so you can also do the same. I already discussed this in the previous lectures. So you draw a line, perpendicular line, that is longer than the distance R. So after drawing those perpendicular lines, you come and pick our distance R. Pick our distance R and come here to the point Y and mark off this distance R on those perpendicular line. You come to the point X as well. You mark off the distance R. Okay, so using your set squares, we want to draw parallel line, this line T parallel to the point that we've just marked off of distance R. Okay, so you come and get that distance, that line T, slide it to the point the perpendicular point. These two lines are parallel to each other. You also come and pick this line S, you pick the line S and draw a parallel line to the point R. Now, the point where these two parallel lines meet is on U, where they intersect. We name it O. Remember, this is the distance R and this is the distance R. So, remember we have our distance R, okay? Just come and put to the new center, okay? Come and draw an arc that of radius R that intersects these two. Remember to use outlines on the targeted drawing, okay? Thick lines. And remember to also thicken these other lines of our target. Remember, it's our target line, so you have to thicken it. Okay. Don't forget the types of lines we looked at. They're very important. So, as you can see, we have finished linking two given oblique lines with the arc of a given radius. That's basically it.